good afternoon, Parañaque! Let me hear you cheer! Ano, wala? Okay, let me hear you cheer! Alright, we are here at Parañaque Sports Complex to celebrate the most anticipated event of the year. It is the Kings of Parañaque 2025 Grand Tip-Off Day. And before we start our program, alam kong excited na kayong makita ang inyong mga teams na gumawa ng kanilang mga grand entrance. Kaya pupunta na agad tayo sa exciting part. Kaya naman huwag na nating patagalin pa. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the Grand Parade of Teams. Please join me in welcoming the incredible athletes with their muses. This is not just a marching of banners with their competitors, but also being an ambassadors of sportsmanship and sustainability. So let's give them a big warm round of applause as they make their way forward. First on the list from the District 1, we have Barangay Santo Niño.
kayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiin. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw, may dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituing at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhati pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Presence of Congressman Edwin L. Olivares and Mayor Eric L. Olivares. Give them a warm round of applause. Kika Bernardo, and it is an immense pleasure to stand here in each and every one of you to introduce this exciting lineup of guests and of course activities. We are here to recognize these incredible contributions who made today possible, who made this a bigger and of course a wonderful event. Just like what I said, this is not just a celebration of basketball. It is also a testament to the power of unity, perseverance, and sportsmanship. Of course, we also take this moment to honor and thank our esteemed guests and stakeholders whose support has been invaluable. Let's give a big round of applause to the following dignitaries. We have Senator Bongo, the Honorable Mayor Eric Olivares, the Vice Mayor Joan Villaperte Vizcara, our respected Congressman Gus Tambunting and Congressman Edwin Olivares. Of course, the league owner, Mr. J. We also have the tournament director, Coach Mike Sagigit. Of course, to our generous sponsors, we have the Cryptogram VIP, PhilPro Consultancies, PhilPro HR Community. We have Go Mommy AE, Travel Story, and Chief Keith. And of course, our key partners, City Government of Parañaque and the officials. We also have, of course, our special guest. We have our Miss World Philippines 2024, Krishna Gravides. And also the face of T3D Management, we have Miss Daniela Mustafa. Also, Mr. Jello Razon and JR Oligario. Alright, gusto nyo na bang makitang rumampa ang ating mga muses? Siyempre naman, yan ang pinunta natin dito, di ba? Alright. We're thrilled to present the much-awaited Pasarela Challenge. Watch our muses dazzle us with their poise, confidence, and signature walk. This is their moment to shine, so let's make some noise for these inspiring representatives of beauty and empowerment. Please cheer for our muses!
Oh, it's a beautiful world. It's a
But before that, our face of T3T Management will show you what Pasarela is. May we welcome here on stage Miss Daniela Mustafa. In the presence of our former Congressman Edza Zialcita, Congressman Franz Pumaran of Quezon City, and Councilor Tin Esplana. Thank you for being with us here. All right, each muse will have their time to grace the stage and showcase their style. So judges, take note of their energy, personality, and how they carry their barangay and beauty. So may I request all the muses to please proceed in front as you wait for your turn to have your pasarela.
Okay. Lion to Battleland 23, representing the Ninangs of Barangay San Isidro!
Mabuhay Paranaque! I am Bianca Santa Ana, 24, sulong kabataan ng San Dionisio.
I'm Bea Andrea Ricamata, representing Barangay San Valley.
Julino Arian Ginto, proudly representing Kings of Parañaque, Barangay Marsara Green!
Santi Gorospe Bandol, 20, representing Moonwalk Brave from Barangay Moonwalk.
Jean Marie Maroña Mercedes, representing the strong barangay of Barangay Santo Niño.
Talent, beauty, and unity. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga muses. Thank you for sharing us your pride today. And let us keep the excitement going as we move forward with our event. Mamaya po malalaman natin kung sino ang best muse. Kaya naman, i-ano nyo na ang inyong mga cheer sa inyong mga manok mamaya. Okay, once again, a pleasant afternoon, everyone. We are truly fortunate today to be joined by some incredible individuals who have made today's event possible and are passionate about supporting the growth of sports and community development. Let's begin with a few words to our league owner. Let's have here Mr. J to some exciting, inspirational messages.
Okay, so magandang hapon Paranaque. First of all, thank you for being here today. And of course, your presence really make this more amazing than what we are expecting. And I want to send our deepest gratitude to all the community leaders who made time to be here today. You guys are such a driving force for T3T and for Paranaque community. Maraming salamat po to Mayor Eric, to Congressman Eric, to Congressman Gaston Bunting, to VC Joanne Villaferte. Maraming salamat, and to the rest of the people who are here today. Okay, so I'll not make this long, but I want to tell a story bakit natin ginawa ito. So we feel like there are a lot of talented people in Paranaque to begin with. You guys had so much to offer to the basketball community. Madami tayong napasikat through a normal basketball to varsity till the PBA level. So yeah, we're really excited to be watching what you guys can offer. And thank you to the sponsors, of course, I will not miss this. To Cryptogram, thank you very much for sponsoring this amazing event. To the city of Paranaque, maraming salamat. And to the teams who are here today, maraming salamat po. To my core team as well. Yeah, that's all.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. J, for that inspiring message. Your dedication to this tournament is really commendable. Ika nga ang ulo ng lahat. Hindi naman magiging possible to without his dedication for this event. So let's give him a warm round of applause. Alright, next, let's dive into the details of today's event and what's in store for our teams and participants. To give us the rundown on the tournament and what to expect, let's welcome Coach Mike, our tournament director, who will brief us on the logistics and rules of the play.
Players, dito players! Players, dito sa gitna! Players, tayo sa gitna. Kasi ganyan din ako dati nung player pa ako eh. Natutuwa ako, na-excite ako, kasi nakikita ko yung sarili ko sa inyo. Kunin ko lang yung opportunity ngayong hapon na to na magpasalamat at naikandak po natin tong Kings of Paranaque Inter-Barangay Basketball League. Kwentuhan ko lang po kayo. Unang-una po sa lahat, nilapitan ko po si Consi Marvin para magpaalam po sa pagkandak po ng tournament na to. Kasi si Consi Marvin po, siya po ang unang politician na nakilala ko po rito sa Paranaque. Inter-barangay player pa lang po ako, SK chairman pa po si Consi Marvin, Batang Marvin Santos na po ako. Sa kanya po ako unang naglaro. And then po, after po nun, pumunta na po kami kay Mayor Eric. Binibigay ko pa lang po yung papel. pinirmahan na kagad kasi para sa kabataan yung event natin. And then in-endorse po ako kay Boss Alex Dandan para po matulungan kami para po dito sa project na to. Boss Joel Mendoza. Boss, dito ka, boss. Gusto ko lang ma-share sa kanila yung storya natin eh. Sulit yung pagkakape ni Boss Joel at saka ni Konggas. Sobrang sulit yung pagkakape. Actually, nagkakape lang po yung aking Boss Joel at saka si Konggas eh. Natutulog pa nga po ako nung tinawagan ako. Kasi we're having a hard time finding teams to participate. So, tinawagan nga, boss, bagong gising lang ako nun. Nagkakape kayo ni Konggas. So, I'm very happy with Boss Joel, Konggas, na tinulungan yung mga teams na makalahok dito sa tournament. At dumating pa yung mga super help. Kong Edwin, siyempre po, yung pinakamagandang boss ko po sa Parañaque Patriots, ang ating pong Vice Mayor, Joan Villapuerte. Ayan po ang mga super help po namin. Sa Congressman, ang matikas, palaging matikas na Congressman Ed Cialcita po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At saka sa mga players, ibigay natin lahat kasi ito yung chance and opportunity. Present po dito sa atin ang MPBL owner, ang MBL owner, na pwede tayong maging players po nila at tayo po ang makipag-compete sa mga liga natin sa labas. Meron pa po ako isang kwento. Kung Congressman Franz Pumaren, hindi na po ako kilala ni Congressman Franz Pumaren. Kung coach, nung panahon ko po naglalaro po ako sa Olivares College, sumasali po si Lasal. Si Coach Franz po ang coach ng Lasal ng many championship. Lagi po akong galit sa Lasal kasi hindi po kami makatawid ng half court. One of the best coach na nag-implement na hindi ka makakatawid sa half court. That is Coach Franz Pumaren. Ilan po, magandang hapon at magandang basketball na darating po para sa atin.
Thank you so much, Coach Mike, for that detailed overview. All right, we are honored to have with us today our true advocate of youth and sports. We have the MPBL Party List representative, Mr. Ronald Munsayak. Please give him a warm round of applause.
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Unang-una, maraming salamat sa aking mahal na Ninong Congressman Gaston Bunting, Ninong Eric Olivares, Kuya Edwin, Vice Mayor Joan Villafuerte, ang poste ng MPBL sa Parañaque, at sa lahat ng mga mahal kong kaibigan, barkada, ng mga councilors, at sa inyong lahat. Ako po pala si Ron Munsayak. Baka po hindi nyo alam, ako po ay taga Parañaque. Ako po ay dito na lumaki at hanggang ngayon dito pa rin nakatira. Ang MPBL Party List ay kasama ni Senator Manny Pacquiao sa pagpapalakas ng Grassroots Sports Development Program. Ako, bibilisan ko na lang kasi alam ko excited na kayo maglaro. Simple lang ang pangako ko. Tulungan nyo lang kami, ang MPBL Party List number 77, at mas pagagandahin ko pa at palalakasin ang mga liga dito sa Parañaque. At mas pagagandahin ko pa yung premyo. Okay ba yun? Pangalawa, mas pagagandahin pa natin yung mga sports training programs, mga scholarship. At pangatlo, kung may mga basketball court kayo sa mga barangay, ito pa yung mas pagagandahin natin. At huling-huli, bago po ko malis, ako po yung nangangako, ito po yung naka-record. Pag ang MPBL Party List manalo at si Senator Manny Pacquiao at manalo, ako po ay taga Parañaque at ako ay malalapitan nyo. Ako po ay taga San Antonio lamang, ito ay barangay ko. Again, maraming salamat at mabuhay kayong lahat.
Much, Mr. Ronald Munsayak. Maaasahan niyo po ang suporta naming lahat. And of course, let's move on to Congressman Franz Pumaren to give us some few words.
Bibigyan ko lang po ng chance pakilala ang ating panauhing pangdangal. Ito po ay kasama kong kongresista, kasama namin ni Kong Edwin Olivares. Ito ay nagpakita po ng galing sa Kongreso, kung gaano kagaling sa basketball, ay ganoon ho kagaling sa Kongreso. Tunay na mahal ang ating mga kababayan, tunay na mahal ang ating mga kabataan at ang senior citizen. Alam po ninyo, Congressman Coach, tawag ko dito Kong Coach o Coach Kong, parang ganon. Alam po ninyo, Kong Franz, ang Parañaque ay marami ho nagsilbi sa Parañaque na mga basketball players. Ang una dyan, si Freddie Webb. Naging congressman namin si Freddie Webb. Tapos, andyan, naging kasama kong konsihal noong 1988, si Abby King. Yan, naging konsihal ho yan. Tapos, nandyan din po ang naging mayor ng Parañaque, si Joey Marquez. Di ba? Ginebra. At siyempre, ang ika-apat dyan ay ang ating konsihal, three-term councilor Jason Webb. Kaya apat ho na basketball player na sumikat sa PBA ay galing po sa galing po sa lungsod ng Parañaque. Mga kaibigan, para po magbigay ng maikling panalita, ang congressman ng 3rd District ng Quezon City, ang magaling na coach, naging basketball player ng San Miguel, Franz Pumaren. Palakpakan po natin.
Maraming salamat, Konggas. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ako ay nagpapasalamat sa imbitasyon. Siguro nagtataka kayo bakit ako umabot dito sa Parañaque dahil yung mga leaders nyo dito ay hindi ko pwedeng mahindian. Kagaya po ng inyong Kong Mayor Edwin Olivares. Kung hindi nyo natatanong, nung nasa basketball team ako sa Lasal, siya po ay nasa tennis team. Classmate ko po siya. Pero wag na niyong tanungin kung sino nangongobya sa bawat isa. Okay? And of course, isa rin na sa lista, Mayor Kong Eric Olivares from Lasal din. And of course, ang inyong Vice Mayor na yung kanyang asawa. Kada kalaban namin ng UST, gumagawa ko ng special defense para mapigilan. Dahil napakagaling na player, of course, ang ating Vice Mayor, Manay Joan. And of course, ang ating mga konsehal na narito, halos lahat ng mga konsehal dito, kakilala ko, si Konsehal Bong Benson. Alam nyo, elementary pa lang ako, college na yan. Okay? So, ganyang taas ang pagtingin ko. And of course, nandyan si Wahoo. Okay? Dahil ang Vice Mayor namin, si Vice Mayor Gian Seto. Alam nyo, napakaswerte nyo. Bihirang-bihira, aside from Quezon City, Parañaque lang ang nakita kong meron ganitong importance na binibigay sa sports. At kausap po si Mayor Eric, si Kong Edwin, si Kong Gus. Ang sabi niya, Franz, ngayon nakita mo itong semento, by the next few months, gagawing kahoy na putong basketball court nyo. So napakaswerte nyo sa inyo lahat. Tama-tama, yung team, bagong Parañaque, pero luma na po sila sa pagtutulong at pagsilbi dito sa Parañaque. Sa lahat po sa inyo, congratulations. The mere fact that you're here is already an accomplishment. Remember, no, hindi lahat pwedeng manalo, pero that doesn't mean na kaya kayo hindi nanalo, hindi kayo magaling. Maybe, mas nakapag-prepara ang ibang team. Sa inyo, siguro bago sa lahat, palakpakan po natin ang mga organizers dahil ito ay hindi para sa kanila, ito ay hindi para sa mga opisyales, ito ay handog nila para dito sa mga taga-Parañaque. Maraming salamat, magandang hapon, at sana po, wag niyong kakalimutan yung talagang tuloy-tuloy na serbisyo. Ako, kagaya po sa aming distrito, sinasabi ko, hindi na po uso ang prutas. Alam ba niyo kung yung prutas? Yung seasonal lang, yung pag mag-election lang tumutulong. Yan po ang huwag natin tilikin. Itong bagong Parañaque, kay may pandemic, kay may eleksyon, kay wala, tuloy-tuloy ang tulong. Maraming salamat. Congratulations sa ating organizers.
Maraming salamat. Alam po ninyo, si Gaston Bunting naging konsihal, naging vice mayor, naging congressman. Naging konsihal ako sa edad na 23 anyos noong 1988. At dito sa Parañaque, yung mga pangalan na binanggit ko, Freddie Webb, Abby King, Joey Marquez at Jason Webb, lahat po yan nakasama ko sa paninilbihan. Noong ako'y konsihal noong 1988, ang congressman namin, Freddie Webb. Konsihal namin si Abby King. Noong ako'y naging konsihal na second term, si Joey Marquez naman vice mayor. Noong ako'y bumalik sa politika, si Joey Marquez naman ay naging mayor namin. At siyempre, si Jason Webb, noong ako'y naging vice mayor, ay nakasama ko. Siya naman po ay konsihal. At siyempre, papagitin ko rin po ang may bahay, ang asawa ni Joan Villaferte, si Jamal. Palakpakan po natin. Yan po, magaling hula player din po yan, si Jamal. Thank you, Jamal, for... Palakpakan po natin, Jamal Vizcara, okay? Siyempre, ako po ibabati rin po, nandito ang dating congressman natin, ang masipag Ed Shalcita, palakpakan po natin, mga konsihal, Rico Goles, Tin Esplana, Marvin Santos, Sheila Benson, at siyempre Rina Gabriel at Yodge Marquez. Nakita ko si Yodge. At siyempre si Wahoo Soto. At siyempre sa ating kaibigan, ang kanang kamay. Ito po kanan at kaliwang kamay ni Manny Pacquiao. Maniwala ko kayo sa akin. Hindi ka makakausap Manny Pacquiao pag hindi ito kausap mo. Taga Parañaque, Ron Monsayak of number 77 MPBL. At siyempre sa aking kaibigan, kay Joel, alam po niyo si Joel, nag-usap po kami niyang, yan po ay Joel Mendoza, nagkakapilang ho kami. Siya ho nagbigay sabi niya, Gas, may tulong-tulong tayo dito sa Basketball League na ginagawa ni Coach Mike at siyempre ang T3T. At sabi ko, sige, pagtulungan natin, Joel. Dito ho napakita, nagsama-sama ang lungsod ng Parañaque, ang congressman ng 1st District, Edwin Olivares, ang congressman ng 2nd District, Gaston Bunting, at ang vice mayor ng lungsod ng Parañaque, Joan Villafuerte, para po mabuo itong basketball tournament. Palakpakan po natin ang ating lungsod ng Parañaque. Yan po lagi po sinasabi ni Gaston Bunting at sinasabi din kanina ni Congressman Franz Pumaren, pag nagsama-sama, nagtulong-tulong, walang imposible. Palakpakan po natin lahat ng mga opisyalis ng lungsod ng Parañaque. At siyempre, babatiin ko po ang aking kaisa-isang may bahay. Mamaya hindi ako batiin ito, walang iba, Joy Tambunting. Palakpakan po natin. Nandyan ho sa likod, okay? Mabuti, alam nyo, nakikita nyo. Kasi mamaya hindi ako makauwi pag hindi ko binati ang aking kaisa-isang may bahay. So again, sa ngalan po na lahat, sa lahat ng palaro ni Gaston Bunting, may pangalan po yan. At ito po ay ang palarong gusto nyo, game start. Sa inyong lahat, congratulations, mabuhay ang mga mananalo at doon sa mga matatalo, the mere fact na nandito kayo, panalo na rin kayo. Sa inyong lahat, isang pagbate, congratulations, patnubayan po tayo ng Pomegapal. Maraming salamat.
Makasingit na lang po uli. Kasi kanina pa ako nag-iisip kung ano po ang pwede nating itawag. Kasi we're creating a lot of friendship. Sa basketball, maraming bagong kaibigan. Nag-iisip ako kung anong pwede. Sabi ko, kabola, may kabola na eh. Kawin, meron na. Siguro tayo ngayon, mga kabago. Kabago. Pwede pa natin isigaw kabago? Ay, mahina. Kabago. Kabago ko yan. Diba? So, yun ang ano natin ngayon. Kabago. Ayoko nung kawin, kabola. And I'm gonna take this opportunity. It's a privilege for me to announce our next speaker. Ang mahal po nating kuya, ang atin pong congressman sa District 1, Congressman Edwin Olivares. Magiging mayor kong na po.
Maraming salamat, Coach Mike. Palakpakan po natin ang ating Coach Mike. Talagang isa po yan sa mga haligi ng sports ng Parañaque City. Palakpakan po natin lahat po ng ating mga organizer. Sa lahat po ng ating mga lingkod bayan, dito po sa harapan, sa lahat po ng ating mga organizers, sa lahat po ng ating mga players and muse, ladies and gentlemen, isang pagpugay at pagbati po mula sa inyong mga lingkod ng isang maganda at isang makadiyos na hapon po sa ating lahat. Purihin po natin, palakpakan po natin ang ating Panginoon Diyos. Ngayon pong hapon na ito, magkakasama po tayo, nagkakatipon-tipon, para po sa ating opening ng Inter-Barangay dito sa lungsod ng Parañaque na binubuo na 16 na barangay, 8 barangay sa 1st District at 8 barangay dito po sa 2nd District. Gusto kong batiin ang ating T3T Management, Sports Management. Palakpakan po natin po sila. At umasa kayo, nandito po ang inyong mga balingkod. Andito si Congressman Ed Shalcita, si Mayor Eric Olivares, si Congressman Gaston Bunting, 10 ng ating mga konsihal para suportahan ito pong ating pong ligang ito, itong ating interbarangay dito sa lungsod ng Parañaque. Gusto ko lang po ipaalam po sa inyo na yung pong sports, isa po ito sa priority ng ating lungsod ng Parañaque kasi naniniwala po tayo sa pamamagitan ng sport, may lalayo natin ang kabataan sa pinagbabawal na gamot. Sama-sama po tayo po dyan. At gusto ko ipaalam po sa inyo ng ating lungsod na Parañaque, to the help ng ating city government, ng ating 2 congressional district, lahat meron na pong covered court, ang lahat ng ating barangay, ng basketball court, all over the city of Parañaque, at i-announce po mamaya ni Mayor Eric Olivares, come this year, sa susunod na opening natin, hando na po tayo sa City Astrodome ng Parañaque, doon po sa ground ng Parañaque City College. Tabla na po yun, Congressman Franz. It's a 5,000 seating capacity within the campus ng PCC ng Parañaque City College. Good luck! Maraming salamat po. Magandang hapon po sa kanila.
Alright, thank you very much, Congressman Edwin Olivares, for that inspirational message for all of us. Tatandaan po naming lahat yan. Kaya naman, an event like this wouldn't be possible without the active participation of our community. To inspire us further, let's welcome our very beautiful Vice Mayor. We have Vice Mayor Joan A. Villapuente Vizcara.
Isang masigla at mapagpalang hapon sa inyong lahat. Natutuwa kami na meron tayong ganitong paliga sa lungsod ng Parañaque. Lahat ng barangay mayroong representanteng koponan para dito sa The Kings of Parañaque. Siyempre, sino ba talaga yung kumilos para sa liga na ito? Buong pasalamat, palakpakan natin ang ating Congressman Gaston Bunting, palakpakan natin na siyang nakaisip na magkaroon tayo ng ganitong kalawak na liga sa ating lungsod. Siyempre, katuwang ang ating Congressman sa District 1, ang ating Congressman Edwin Olivares. Magkakasama po kami dito, magkakakampi para iporsigi ang ligang ito at hindi magiging makatotohanan kung wala ang tulong ng ating Mayor, Eric Olivares, palakpakan natin. At syempre kasama ang ating mga konsehal na nandito. Ang ating majority floor leader ng ating mga konsehal, walang iba si Konsehal Marvin Santos, na talagang first love ang basketball. At syempre nandito si Konsehala Sheila Benzon, si Konsehal Rico Goles, Konsehal Yoj Marquez, Konsehal Rina Gabriel, at syempre ang ating pong SK President, no, walang iba, palakpakan naman natin ang namumuno at nangunguna sa Youth and Sports Development. Walang iba, si SK Chairman Denise Kathleen Park. Palakpakan natin yan. At syempre, andyan si Konsehal Sheila Benzon, si Konsehal Wahoo Soto, at syempre yung ating pinapasalamatan natin ang nanguna sa pag-oorganisa ng ligang ito, ang T3T Sports Management sa pangunguna ni Mr. Joven de la Cruz. Maraming salamat po. Sa ating coach na kinikilala natin dito sa Parañaque, mula sa Olivares College hanggang sa MPBL Parañaque Patriots. Palakpakan naman natin si Coach Mike Sagigit. No, at syempre, nandito ang MPBL Party List na pinangungunahan ni Senator Manny Pacquiao, number 77, MPBL Party List. Nandito si Mr. Ron Catunaw. Palakpakan natin. Nagpapasalamat Mr. Ron Sayak mula sa Barangay BF. At syempre, walang sawang pagsuporta mula sa ating former District 1 Congressman, ang ninong ko po, Congressman Ed Zialcita. Nagpapasalamat din tayo sa presensya ng isang batikang PBA player at coach. Naalala ko, tinaguri ang The Missile. Yun ang kanyang moniker sa PBA. Walang ibang ating congressman at coach na kinikilala sa ating sa buong Pilipinas. We are very honored to have you, Congressman Coach Franz Pumaren. Palakpakan natin. At kanina may sinasabi si Coach Pumaren yung aking butihing may buhay, hindi lang daw magaling na basketball player. Ano yun, Coach?
Magaling pumili.
Magaling din daw pumili ng asawa. Yan. Yan yung ating napakagaling na player sa Parañaque Patriots at team manager, Jemal Vizcara. Sa lahat ng mga nandirito na players, alam ninyo, simula nung aking pong hinawakan ang Parañaque Patriots sa MPBL, nadiscover ko na ang isang magaling na basketball player, hindi lang magaling pumuntos, hindi lang magaling dumribol, hindi lang magaling dumiskarte sa loob ng court. Ang isang magaling na basketball player, may disiplina, may respeto sa coach, at sa kanyang kapwa mandalaro. At sa lahat ng mga nandirito na mga basketball players ng ating liga, galingan ninyo at sana ipakita ninyo sa lahat ng mga kabataan ang isang modelong manlalaro ay isang manlalarong magaling, may disiplina, at higit sa lahat, may respeto. Kaya sa inyong lahat, sa lahat ng ating mga players, at sa ating mga coaches, good luck sa inyo, at naway ang liga ng basketball sa Parañaque ay mas lalo pang lumawig sa pamamagitan ng pakikipagtulungan ng team Bagong Parañaque. Maraming salamat! At good luck sa lahat ng teams para sa ating The Kings Basketball League. Maraming salamat po at magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Sa lahat po ng teams na nandirito, tinatawagan po namin yung ating SK Chairman Denise Kathleen Park na kami po ay magbibigay ng basketball sa lahat ng team representatives dito. Pwede bang lumapit lahat ng team representatives? Bawat isang koponan makakatanggap ng molten basketball leather ito Hindi ito yung yung bola na ito'y pang matagalan na magagamit ninyo sa inyong practice. Salamat din sa ating SK President Denise Kathleen Park.
proceed, thank you so much, Vice Mayor Joanne, for that encouraging words. Your call for community participations remind us that the true progress happened when we all come together to support initiative like this. So thank you so much for that wonderful message. So sports have always been a powerful tool for unity, and our city has been at the forefront of fostering a sense of togetherness through athletic initiatives. Let's now hear from our esteemed leader, the Mayor of Parañaque, Mayor Eric L. Olivares, as the highlights of the vital role of sports in bringing communities together.
Maraming salamat. Hello! Hi! Magandang hapon po sa ating magagaling, makikisig na atleta dito po sa lungsod ng Parañaque, sa 16 na teams. Good luck po sa atin. Palakpakan po natin ang ating magagaling na atleta. At siyempre, nagpapasalamat po ako sa ating Congressman Gaston Bunting, Congressman Kuya Edwin Olivares, Vice Mayor Joanne Villafuerte, at sa lahat ng ating mga kunsyahal at ang ating T3T na si Mr. Jover de la Cruz, dahil po sa napagandang inter-barangay basketball event sa lungsod ng Parañaque. At maswerte po tayo dahil nandito po ang ating panauhing pangdangal, ang napakagaling na basketball PBA player, magaling na coach, at magaling na congressman sa 3rd District ng lungsod ng Quezon City, Congressman Franz Pumaren. Palakpakan po natin. At siyempre, nandito po ang first nominee, ang aking inaanak sa kasal ng MPBL, Manny Pacquiao Basketball League. Tandaan niyo po, number 77 sa balota sa party list, ang magiging Congressman Ron Munsaya. Siya po ang Chief of Staff ni Senator Manny Pacquiao at naging Chief of Staff ni Senator Coco Pimentel. Parapahan po natin siya. Ang physical fitness tulad ng basketball, ng sports ay malaking bagay para sa atin lahat. Sino po ba ang varsity player ng mga university o colleges dito? Taas ang mga kamay. Yung mga college players, meron po ba? Sino yung, ayan, sino ang libre sa pag-aaral sa kolehiyo? Dahil sila po ay varsity player. So meron po tayong ilan na mga varsity player dahil po sa galing po nila sa basketball, ay libre po ang tuition fee, miscellaneous, and other fees. Ganyan din po yung aking anak na number 2 po siya sa buong Pilipinas sa larangan ng tennis. Siya po ay nag-aral ng libre sa Western Michigan University at siya po ay nag-compete sa NCAA sa Amerika at siya po ay bronze medalist sa Southeast Asian Games na nilaro dyan po sa Vietnam at siya po ang champion ang Pilipinas sa Group 5 sa Davis Cup, doon po ginawa sa Bahrain. Hindi lang po ito nakakatulong para sa ating magandang edukasyon, kundi natututo rin po tayo maging disiplinado, masipag, kasi kung tayo po ay laging puyat o umiinom o hindi nagpa-practice, siyempre talo po tayo. Ito po ay natatranslate sa araw-araw po nating gawain sa eskwelahan, sa trabaho at iba pa. So malaking bagay po ito at nakakaiwas po tayo sa mga masasamang bisyo katulad ng droga at alcohol. So sa inyo po lahat, good luck po sa inyong competition. At nabanggit nga po ng ating Kuya Edwin, next year hindi na po tayo dito. Doon na po tayo sa the first Parañaque Astrodome, dyan po sa harap ng Parañaque City College. Wooden floor, may air condition, at may 4,000 seating capacity. So marami po makakanood sa laban po ninyo. So sa inyo po lahat, mabuhay ang ating inter-barangay competition sa lungsod ng Parañaque. Mabuhay po kayo lahat.
We gon' do this.
Thank you so much, Mayor, for your inspiring message and for emphasizing your role of sports in uniting our community.
I forgot to recognize yung idol, isa sa mga idol ko po, ang three-termer na congressman sa lungsod ng Parañaque, ang aking mentor, idol, teacher, Congressman Edsa Shalsita. Palapahan po natin.
Alright, now let's shift our focus to some very special guests who have inspiring stories and messages to share. Up next, let's hear from our celebrity guest speakers. Now we are honored to welcome a remarkable individual who has used her platform to make a difference, not just locally but globally. Please join me in welcoming Miss World Philippines 2024, Krishna Gravides.
Hello po, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Thank you for that introduction. I'm Krishna Marie Gravides, the reigning Miss World Philippines 2024. And first of all, I would like to thank the City of Parañaque and our community leaders for making this possible. And the T3T Sports Management, headed by Mr. J. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity for all the youth to thrive and for supporting sports, because sports is one of the driving forces of our country to be more globally competitive. And as early as now, I want to congratulate all the players, coaches, all the teams, and our representatives as well for pursuing this passion. And I would like to take this opportunity to promote our upcoming tree planting on Friday to further explore sustainability here in the city of Parañaque. And sabi nga nila, merong 3 Bs dito sa Pilipinas: boxing, basketball, and beauty pageants. And ayun, I would like to take this opportunity as well to promote and humbly ask for your support as we compete for the 72nd Miss World early this year and to get the second blue crown for the Philippines. At ayun lamang po, mabuhay po tayong lahat at sana po lahat tayo ay matuto, promote sportsmanship, discipline, and also thrive in this career. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Krishna. You have our full support for Miss World 2025. Ika nga, bring home the bacon. So good luck. And we are here cheering you on. All right, so now we move to one of the most significant part of today's ceremony, the oath of sportsmanship, where our athletes will pledge their commitment to fairness, respect, and the true spirit of the game. Following this, we'll have the much anticipated official declaration of the tournament, marking the formal beginning of this exciting competition. So athletes, please get ready for the oath of sportsmanship led by Von Torres from Barangay Santo Niño and all the team captains.
We gonna do this.
Tayo po tayo lahat, please. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Von Torres, a participant of Kings of Parañaque 2025, do hereby solemnly swear and agree to abide, adhere and uphold all conditions, agreements, rules, regulations, and provisions which has been set forth by the organizers of this tournament. As a competitor of this game, I hereby swear and agree to play the game in the highest forms and standards of discipline and sportsmanship, no matter if I win or lose. What count most is how I conduct myself and play my game in the spirit of belongingness, peace, community, and enjoyment. With my teammates and other participants from other barangay, I now therefore declare to preserve the tenets and precepts of a true sportsman in thought, in word, and in deed. So help me God.
All right, thank you for that inspiring ode of sportsmanship and the official declaration of the tournament. Now, it's time to honor the people and organizations who have made this event possible. We will now proceed with the... But before that, may we call on Mr. Mike Lim, the owner of Cryptogram, for his inspiring message for all of us.
We gon' do this.
Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for inviting me here. And Happy Chinese New Year to all, especially to the community leaders of Parañaque. Happy Chinese New Year, and to MBPL, Sir Ronald, Happy Chinese New Year. I would like to take this opportunity also to thank Sir JDC, T3T Sports Management. Congratulations for organizing this very successful event. Our cryptocurrency super app, Cryptogram.vip, is in partnership with T3T Sports Management and Kings of Parañaque, as well as other sports advocacies. I would like to take this opportunity, if you have time, maybe check out our cryptocurrency super app. So there's a lot of features coming soon. We have some partner businesses that accepts or use our cryptocurrency app as payment for their products and services. And soon, we will also be launching in partnership with the first Filipino laptop and tablet factory, Redfax. So this is an example of our tablet. Soon you will be able to purchase this. Globally, we will introduce this line of products to the market. You can purchase this via our Cryptogram app. So shockproof po to, sample. Hindi siya masisira. Soon, you will be able to avail this via our Cryptogram wallet. And that's all. Good luck to everyone, and to God be the glory.
We gon' do this.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mike Lim, the owner of Cryptogram. All right. Now, we will proceed with the recognition of the stakeholders, where we celebrate the invaluable contribution of our sponsors, organizers, and community leaders. Their dedication and support have been instrumental in turning this vision into a reality. Let's give them a big warm round of applause as we express our gratitude through this recognition. So may we call on Mr. J to award the certificates. With the face of T3D Management, we have Miss Daniela Mustafa. We have Miss Krishna Gravides. Next, we have Mr. Alexander Dandan. Denise Caitlin S. Park. Next award will be given to Cryptogram VIP. Next, we have Honorable Marvin Santos. Next, we have Congressman Gas Tambuting. We will also award the certificate for Congressman Edwin L. Olivares. We also have Vice Mayor John A. Villafuerte Vizcarra. And last but not the least, of course, Mayor Eric L. Olivares. And now, nandito na tayo sa exciting part, ang awarding ng Best Muse! Sino kaya sa mga nagagandahang dilag sa aking harapan ang makakakuha ng award ng Best Muse? This recognition celebrates not only the beauty and also the grace, the confidence, and the spirit of representing one's team and community. So to present this award, we are honored to have with us our Face of T3D Management, Ms. Daniela Mustafa, and Miss World Philippines 2024, Krishna Gravides. Our Miss World Philippines 2024, Krishna Gravides, will be announcing our Best Muse. So they will be receiving 5,000 pesos in cash and a certificate. So congratulations in advance. Mukhang may manlilibre sa mga team nila mamaya. are calling Miss Kay Castro, who will give the prizes for the music. All right. I'll give the honor to Miss Krishna Gravide.
Okay, we've come to one of the highlights of today. But before that, I would really love to say that you're all beautiful and stunning. And I'm very, very happy with your pasarela. You did good. And I hope to see you on national stages soon, maybe. Ayan, handa na ba tayong malaman kung sino ang ating best muse for this year? Parang ayaw nila. Handa na ba tayong malaman kung sino ang ating best muse for this year? Ayan. Our Kings of Parañaque best muse is from our best muse 2024 Kings of Parañaque is from Barangay San Valley!
Patawagin na natin sila for a new, yeah.
Pero sa ating mga remaining muses, don't worry dahil makaka-receive po kayo ng jewelries from Kay's Closet. So you may now proceed on the stage to get your may we now proceed to another exciting highlight of our opening ceremony. It's the ceremonial toast. The tournament and symbolizes fair play, teamwork, and a competitive spirit that brings us all together. May we request Barangay San Dionisio and Barangay San Valley to lead our ceremonial toast.